Queens, Kiana Unique here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about this video. I'm so excited. This is an unboxing video of Rosewe.com's clothing, or I might as well say an unbagging, because it came in a shipping bag, not a shipping box. But anywho, I'm so excited about this because I have been on their site a few times and I have never purchased anything. I really like Rosewe.com because of the very sexy, sophisticated styles that they have on there. You can definitely find some unique pieces. I just never bought anything. So they contacted me and they wanted me to try out their items and to give my honest opinion of what I thought about their products. So I was allowed to pick out 2 items, and I don't know what was sent to me, and I have it right here in this bag here. Shipping bag, DHL sent it right to my door. This is not an advertisement for them, but they sent it right to my door, and I'm ready to open it. Open it. Okay. Are you guys ready? Okay, so let's not wait any longer. Let's see what's inside. Are you ready? I'm ready. Okay. Yellow. All right, so I have a yellow piece here. I picked out 2 pieces like I told you, and both of them were jumpsuits, like full jumpsuits, and one of them was yellow. So I got the yellow one. Let's see. I'm gonna open this. I got this in a medium. And I'm going to try this on, let you guys know what can you hear me over this? Anyway, I got a medium. I'm going to try it on, let you guys know what I think. But first, I'm going to take it out. Let's see. Here we go here. Okay, let me go try it on. Okay, so I have the jumpsuit on, and I realized before I put it on that it is nice and stretchy. I was afraid that it was not going to be, so I definitely measured my body and followed the measurements on their site, which is a great thing to do when you're ordering from online. So that's how I ended up getting a medium versus a small, and it actually fits perfect in the bust, waist, and hip area. I am 5'3", so I had a feeling that it was not going to fit height-wise, but I love to wear heels. So if I put on a pair of heels with this, then it will fit perfectly. I feel if you don't want to wear heels with this and you are around my height, then definitely hem it up, because otherwise it will be touching the ground. The other thing is this is a very lightweight material, so great for summer and spring. I live in Georgia and it gets very hot here, so this I can actually see myself wearing in the summertime and not baking. The 2 things I like most about this jumpsuit is the color, of course, nice and bright for the summertime, and the sleeves. I love how it's the off the one shoulder and the sleeves are stopping right there at the elbow. Super cute and sexy for summertime. Okay guys, so all in all, I really love the piece that was sent to me, and I will be shopping on Rosewe.com. Yes. So definitely be looking for more videos with their clothing, and I'm gonna definitely post some pictures of me styling this piece, wearing this piece out on my Instagram. So if you're not following me, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And you guys, I enjoyed this video. It was so super fun. Can't wait to do another one. Okay, you guys, as always, be unique. See you next week. Mwah.